last 2 years, we have grown into larger scale projects where regular rotating telehandlers aren't nearly as efficient as the self-erecting tower crane. The Potain really presented itself as being the best solution possible.
I don't sell equipment, we sell a lift solution. As time goes on, labor, safety, and job site restrictions become tougher, and that's where these machines shine.
So with the self-erecting tower crane, it obviously stays in one spot and all of our material stays in one spot. So you minimize the amount of traffic on the job site.
Every other machine, you're putting materials to a spot, to an edge of roof, or as far in as you can reach it. With a machine like the one behind me, you're putting it to where you need it. So as opposed to even other cranes, a machine like this, you're gonna reach out 148 feet and place material, but you're also gonna be able to place material 10 feet away from you. The customer base for these machines is really perimeter framing, light gauge steel, and stick build framing.
One of the other areas that we have is prefabrication, and the crane really helps with that because the walls are pretty big and heavy. Some machines can't move them, where this can take that much weight.
Another advantage for these machines is the ease of setup. For these machines, you don't need a poured, engineered foundation like you do with a conventional tower crane.
The coolest thing about the crane really is that it folds into itself and becomes basically a tractor trailer. The crane changes our bidding process in a couple different areas, mainly in the schedule. We're able to generally speed up schedules by a good bit, which obviously makes it more efficient for us as well as the general contractor. You have to look at the efficiency of the machine over a long period of time rather than on a day-by-day basis. When you're using multiple rotating telehandlers or multiple other lifts, that can become very expensive over a long period of time rather than just having one self-erecting tower crane.
These machines can be zero emissions because you can hook them to city power where there's nothing else running on site. There's no diesel generator, no combustion engine that needs to be running for them to work.
The self-erecting tower crane really helps us with safety in a couple different facets. Really, the first thing that comes to mind is lowering the amount of machines that are moving around on the job site.
There's one machine sitting, and where that location is has already been planned out. So not only does it help my customer, help Cedar run, it helps the whole site because everybody knows exactly what space is going to be taken up and what they can use.
Stevenson Equipment provides us with a job plan that we can present to the general contractor, letting them know where the crane's going to be to get to their safety department so they can understand exactly what's going to be going on with the crane, with loading, where it reaches, so they have everything right up front. A nice thing for the crane operator is that it has a remote. He's actually able to stand with either where the wall panels are going or at the material that he's going to be picking up.
So a big concern people have with these machines, or they may view as a challenge, is having to have operators that are certified. But really the process is very simple.
With Stevenson Equipment, they're able to walk 2 of our guys through a week-long process, get them trained, and using the crane really in about, I would say, fully 2 weeks.